It might be raining.
Northwest Western Drive, and that open garage door 220. I'm just getting ready to leave M78 shelter. There's the quad that just went by. They're southbound on the trip.
I'm at 55th and South Benton. This came out as a shooting call. I don't know how serious it is. Police tape is up, but I don't know. And a block to the north, there was an accident involving a police officer. So I don't know what's going on here. I'll check this out first, and then maybe check out the other one. You never know what you're in for. Turned out to be a busy day. And I was supposed to get in Storm Tracker. That's what I get for listening to the scanner. Ended up going to that shooting, and now I'm at the fire, and it's raining. Ugh. But you know what? Being out here in the rain beats being inside any day. It seemed like it wasn't going to be busy at all, and then it picked up and became a very busy morning. I don't know if you can see that over there. We're in Raytown. And that's where a pedestrian was struck. So the tally is 2 fires and a pedestrian struck. And I'm here at the Holiday Inn across the street. I was over there, but it was really unsafe. And once traffic really picked up, I moved to a, not the better location visually wise, but better location safety wise, because cars were zooming around that curve and you can't see them coming, and they're going really, really fast. And and then they get to that area, and then they start looking, and they're not paying attention. And if you're sitting there on that outside of that curve where I was, they can come right into you. So, and the weather is gorgeous. It's not that disgusting hot heat anymore. It's gorgeous, but it's been raining, and even coming out of this Holiday Inn, you have to really nail it, because these people, they're not slowing down for anything. They have the westbound lanes blocked. You can see the police over here blocking everything. So we won't be going west that way, because the most logical thing for me to do would be to go that way, but nope. So we're just, I guess I'm gonna head north and then west. But the rain sure has made it very, very nice. Oh, I made a bad decision. You're driving right into where they're directing all the traffic. Or if I can still go the other way. And, trying to cross 2 lanes of...
So we're going to continue to hold it. We did, thanks.
88
Yeah, this is... I didn't even think about it. I think I might change my mind here. We'll see. There's an opening. Barely an opening. God, these people drive too fast. And they don't pay attention to anything. But anyway, so much fun, so much fun. I'm glad I drive mainly at night, not in the morning, because I can't handle this. This morning, rain just kind of looked like it was going to skip past us. We missed the heavy stuff, it looks like, but now it's raining pretty steadily and not letting up, which is always fun. Woohoo!
278 366 will give you his. Option your altitude station with 1 mileage. Noted at 43 minutes.
366 will be the part 2 of this. Mileage starting at 93391, following 378 to station 1. Female, date 315 and 120.
43 minutes.
All weather. There's a leak in the umbrella. Oh no! And my light quit, so I had to grab my trusty old aperture light. This is
a very grumpy and wet reporter.
This is crazy. Yeah. Rain everywhere. Hard. Even my raincoat is soaking. It's going in, and I'm getting it inside too. So yeah, I'm thoroughly soggy.
Kansas City, it's just the light rain, but it's the back edge that's just sliding across the area. So we should see some improvements around 7:30 or 8 a.m. Also, our southern counties continue with that consistent light rain. That should also taper off here in a few %. And many expect the second quarter is on pace for that same exact number as well. And a recession is commonly defined as having prices are down in the last month, as we mentioned, but still much higher than they were a year ago. And the Kansas average has actually dropped.
Numerous reported cases of exposed personnel developing cancer and other serious health conditions.
You pay nothing. Call 800-688-6502. That's 800-688-6502.
For many of us, the line between as officer Madrid Evans was also killed in the line of duty. Tuesday, the Missouri State Highway Patrol released its report of what happened when Madrid Evans was killed September 15th. Madrid Evans, along with his partner and 2 other officers, were looking for a Harrison, who said he was wanted for a parole violation. When officers approached Harrison, he shot and killed Madrid Evans. Another officer shot and killed Harrison. The report reveals claims that Harrison had been awake for several days and that he had used methamphetamine the morning of the shooting. The report says that Harrison told someone in the house that he planned to shoot it out with law enforcement rather than go back to prison. It also
We'll take you in about a minute.
Rec department to the front.
1 minute.
They're responsible for boulevards in the city. The reporting party said the collapsed section could be an immediate hazard. But the Parks Department closed the case a few weeks later. Unclear whether any repairs were made.
Important health announcement regarding Camp Lejeune.
If you or someone you know spent time at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina prior to 1988 and developed any of these cancers or suffered any of these injuries, you may be eligible for significant financial dispensation. Call Camp
dongies are out of their victuals, so we got to get them some. Come on, dongs, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got stuff. Live in Lenexa, talking about rain gardens with Charlie. And this little field is right behind the Lenexa Government Complex, City Hall. And we're done for the morning, and it's time to take care of some issues that I have. My camera broke, I guess, because of the rain yesterday, so got to deal with that. Oh, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Angry driver. Coffee. Goodbye. The line is long, as always. This will be a while. Get the family meal. He's a Doberman Shepherd. Jimmy, you're making a scene here. Nobody's seen the dog in the back. Oh, thank you. Wow. Jimmy, look at this. I put it to where you can't get to it. And Stella, I'm not trying to find somebody. Here. Was that good, Jimmy? I don't want you slaughtering. Okay, thank you. We are slave driving. These are Saya's panics.
This one's more decent than that one.
Excellent.
That's your eggs.
I'm working on my camera bag. Luke is looking at me like he doesn't know what he's doing. What are you doing, Luke?
I'm trying to make him arrange his shelves.
Uh-huh. Jimmy, you are in every room. How do you do that? And Suyan is preparing something. Breakfast is served. The eating of the breakfast. Okay. I've got things to do. Already did some rearranging. I have totally cleaned out this car, which is, I've actually got a back seat now. And I got to take this back to Best Buy and see if I can get another one because it quit working on me yesterday. And I have to wash this car. So that's what I got to do. Woohoo! We are attempting to do the duck dance, the Filipino dance practice. We done did Retail Rebel, second Sunday in a row, and now we're getting Villas. Then it's back to work for me. Woo. And it's our last week before something. Oh, we'll get Vittles here. We'll have our sandwiches.